Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Yes, sir. Please, may you please introduce yourself for the purpose of record?
Okay, I am Dr. Chukwudi Boniface Abaranje, Ndigbo of Abaranje and Chukwudi in the Ndigbo LCD.
Okay, sir. So why are you here today, sir?
I'm here today to pay tribute to a man of exceptional talent and vision, to a man who is a protector of the Igbo culture and tradition, to a man with a large heart, to a man who loves Igbo so much, to a man who can go out of his way to help his fellow human beings. That's why I'm here today.
The way you're speaking, sir, you're speaking so passionately about this man. If you were asked in summary to tell who this man is, what will you say, sir?
Honestly speaking, and frankly, if I begin to speak about the late Eze Hazrike, Eze Nkume, but I call him Idu Omeroha. He's a man I love so much that if I begin to speak about him today, it's going to take hours. This is a man that in Igbo culture we call Dike and not Odogu. Because you know there is difference between Dike and Odogu. This is a man who cherishes the Igbo custom, who will go out of his way to make sure that the Igbo custom, norms and tradition is not in any way humiliated. He's a man that loves the people, a man of peace. So I don't even know, because I worked for him as a clearing agent. I clear his containers. And he's somebody that when you are dealing with him, you know you are dealing with a human being, not an aggressor, not a dictator, not an emperor, but someone with human heart, with human face. So I would describe him as a good man.
Okay, so talking about goodness and legacy, from what you're saying, he left a very good legacy behind. How do you think Igbos, in one voice, will keep this legacy going, sir?
That is one thing we're going to pursue it, to make sure that it comes to reality. Because when I introduce him as a man of vision, one of his visions is to see the Igbo united. One of his visions is to see that the Igbo speak with one voice. One of his visions is to see that in Lagos State, that the Igbos have a place, a common place, maybe called the Imobi or Ndigbo in Lagos State. It should be a place of the talking drum, where when called upon, all Igbos will assemble and gather, and we'll discuss and we'll come out and speak with one voice. That is his vision. And that is what we have sworn to pursue and protect and make it to come to reality.
Twice. Once again, sir, your name?
Eze Dr. Chukwudi Abaranje, Eze Chukwudi Ndigbo. I'm learning ego in Hitanansa. Thank you.
Eze Ndigbo. Of which area, sir?
Of Abaranje and Okerube in Ekoto Igondo LCD.
Thank you, sir.